Want to discover winning ads and the best viral products? Allow me to introduce you to Pipiads, the most powerful all-in-one ad library, dropshipping product finder, and competitor analytics tool. This game-changing platform is your key to staying ahead in the fast-paced world of dropshipping. It's not just about discovering ads, it's about creating superior ad campaigns based on data-driven insights. With Pipiads, discover more ads, make better ad campaigns, and most importantly, make more money. Let's delve into the features that make Pipiads a game-changer for dropshippers and marketers alike. First, the TikTok AdSpy Tool, a unique feature that allows you to discover the latest trends and viral products on TikTok, providing you with a wealth of creative inspiration and business opportunities. Next, Pipiads' comprehensive ad data features. This offers the most complete and up-to-date data for any business, including e-commerce, dropshipping, app and games, affiliation programs, and more. With professional analysis of advertising, products, and advertisers, you can discover the winners faster. The Ads Tracker is another powerful feature. It can generate daily reports and even alert you via email within 30 minutes when new ads appear. This real-time tracking provides a significant advantage in staying on top of trends. The Find Similar by Image tool is a game changer. Simply upload a product image and instantly find visually similar ads. This tool is perfect for ad inspiration and competitive research. The video text and speech translator makes it easy to translate subtitles and spoken content in ad videos, making it easier to follow and replicate winning creatives. Lastly, the AI Video Transcript Generator. Just submit or upload a video to instantly receive a detailed analysis report, hook, shooting storyboard, and full script content. This powerful tool helps in understanding and recreating high-performing videos. Pipiads is not just an ad library, it's a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you do business. So, you've seen the power of Pipiads. Now, how can it help you? Well, imagine having a tool that can assist you in finding the most captivating ad creatives, including videos, images, and carousel formats. With Pipiads, you can discover the latest winning products for dropshipping or the hottest ad products that your competitors are using, but it doesn't stop there. Pipiads also helps you find excellent ad copy, the kind that entices customers to buy. And let's not forget about understanding your ad cost and estimated conversions. With its sophisticated algorithms, Pipiads can predict the cost of your ads and the expected number of ad conversions and orders. What about ad audience targeting? Yes, Pipiads has got you covered there too. And if you're curious about where your advertised product is landing, Pipiads can help you find it and analyze its redirect links. Ready to take your ad campaigns to the next level? Hit the link below to try Pipiads for free today.